The avocado oil market is gaining traction as consumers move toward nutrient-rich, natural, and minimally processed products. Its positioning as a premium edible oil is strengthening, supported by rising awareness of heart health, clean-label ingredients, and better-for-you cooking alternatives. The market reached USD 724.5 million in 2025 and is projected to grow to USD 1,145.8 million by 2034 at a CAGR of 5.12%. This growth is supported by expanding use in household cooking, salad dressings, marinades, and functional food products, as well as by increasing demand from premium food service brands. Beyond food, avocado oil is becoming an important ingredient in beauty and wellness formulations. Its vitamin-rich profile and moisturizing properties are encouraging adoption in hair oils, creams, lotions, and skin nourishment products, without relying on synthetic formulations. Manufacturers are focusing on cold-pressed, organic, and sustainably sourced variants to meet shifting consumer expectations. Retail expansion, specialty stores, and online platforms are also improving product accessibility across developed and emerging markets. With growing interest in natural ingredients, premium edible oils, and multi-use wellness products, the avocado oil market is set for steady expansion. The focus remains on quality, purity, application diversity, and meeting consumer preference for healthier daily-use products.